are you?
Day? The new
Where are you?
ski animal company update.
Where are you?
It came out today, and I'm so excited for.
I'm Can you give me a skiing board? Can you give me a skiing board? Can you give me a skiing board?
I'm gonna go into a private server.
I'm flying.
Can someone give me a skiing board? Can someone get a ski board for me?
Anyway, let's just. Oh yeah, sorry I don't have the arm in my hand. Yeah, I don't have it right now. But did I just drop it? Oh, thank God. What the heck? That's weird. Well, anyway. What is this? Do I go on this? Whoa. What is this? I have to buy them? That is awful. I don't even have anything. Dang it. Why are the skis out to the public? Whoa. Okay. Let's check these out. Let's just... Okay. What's this? Am I getting... Is it 10 each? What is that? That is so dope. I'm definitely gonna get lots of these. This is sick. They each give us 5, which is very cool. Okay, 3, 2, 1, here, go. Whoa. What is this? Oh. Oh. Oh God, I can't touch that. This is so cool. How do I escape? What do I do here? Okay, so right now it's so cool. Whoa. The heck? Does it bring me back? Yes, it does. There's a tiny little tour of the map. What? How do I get back? These skis are so fun to play with. Oh. I'm back at the top. This is a ski. Wow. I might want to bring more skis with me. Like, I'm gonna bring these over to my home point. This is hard. Jesus. I might have to leave now. Okay. Oh. Oh yeah, guys, I might make a video about my new house that I moved to. So yeah, I guess I got a new house. It is beautiful. What? Yeah. Get it out of my way. Ah. That was my sister. At least we are here now. With free skis. So, these are gonna be fun to play with. I might try grinding for some research points to get the other skis. Which is super. Oh wait, I almost have enough company coins to get research points. Oh, the skis are unlocked. I need this. Dang it. What? Okay. That. And that is going. That. Well, I guess that's all for today. Well, we'll see you in the next video. Which I don't know, probably next update. Anyway, see y'all later.